Introducing the latest Celtech 4K NVR, and why it's one of the best recorders on the market. It is super user-friendly, and has a one-click function on many aspects. With just one click, you can rearrange your video channels. You can also zoom in your NVR video feed in just a click. Instant recording playbacks on this Celtech NVR is also just one click away. Break-ins are common nowadays. Celtech secures you by sending intruder alert notification with image and sound on your mobile phone to alert you, even before the person can enter your house. You will even receive a backup of the intruder video footage on your cloud and email accounts so that the video is not lost. The Celtech NVR comes with the industry-leading quad-core processor, allowing for 16-channel simultaneous playback and full HD resolution. While most brands will only playback one channel on your mobile phone, Celtech gives you 4-channel simultaneous playback on your mobile phone. Order your Celtech NVR today at celtech.com.my.